Hi everyone. Today, after finishing the discussion on the bending in the last lecture, we'll start discussing about new chapter, chapter 5 on analysis and design of beams for bending. Before talking about the new chapter, let me give you a review. So, as I told you, we are trying to understand the reactions and stress strain out of those reactions like one by one. So in the first chapter, like chapter 2, we discussed about normal force N and normal stress due to this normal stress. In the chapter following normal loading, we discussed about torsional loading and shear stress originating from the torsional torque. And then in the last chapter, when we started discussing about pure bending, we started discussing about moment and the normal stress distribution out of the moment. And in some like subtopics such as eccentric loading, we discussed about combined normal loading and moment and the normal stress distribution due to combined normal force and moment. Today, we're gonna start on like a new section and new chapter where we finally start to discuss about the last reaction, shear force V, shearing force V. Okay, so what you're gonna do is following in chapter 5. This chapter, we will talk about how to obtain moment and shear force as a function of position from statics. I mean basically freshman physics. Okay, and this will be the coverage of midterm, and after midterm, starting from this shear force V, we will try to discuss how we can obtain the shear stress tau out of this. Okay, so what you can expect from our discussion on chapter 5 is that because we're not gonna consider cross section, as you can expect it from like a tau on cross section, the discussion on cross section will be only in chapter 6, and in chapter 5 discussion, we only need to discuss about front view only. We're not gonna consider any cross sectional view and stress such as shear stress and normal stress out of this moment and shear force diagram. Okay, so regarding the midterm, you can expect the midterm problems coming out of from chapter 1 through chapter 5. Regarding chapter 6, forget about it now, and you can start to think about and study chapter 6 contents after midterm. Okay,